Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to upload KSET 2020-21 Expected Key Answers Part 2. Especially here I covered ICT part, communication part and data interpretation. The first is a communication part. The first question is related to the communication, the especially assertion and reasoning. The question is like that. Assertion: formal communication tends to the fast and flexible. Yes, this assertion is wrong because formal communication is not a flexible. It is a systematic, orderly flow of communication, orderly flow of information. So the reason is correct, but assertion is wrong. So here D answer is correct one. A is a false, but R is a correct. The second question, the question is like that, the mode of communication that involves a single source transmitting informations to a large, diversified, heterogeneous, and dispersed audience simultaneously. This kind of communication is called. Option A is a group communication, option B mass communication, option C intrapersonal communication, option D public communication. So here mass communication is correct one. So B answer is correct. So the next question, encoding data for transmissions across a network is known as a, obviously it is known as a C answer, encryption. So here C is the correct one. Then next question, ideological codes shape our collective. Here out of four option A is correct one. That ideological codes shape our collective is called as our perceptions. So perception is the correct answer. Then fifth question, what is Twitter handle? Username is handle Twitter. So this is all about communication part. Next I am going to cover ICT portion. The first question, the first ICT question, actually this question is repeated one. An unsolicited email messages sent to many recipients at once is called spam. D is the correct one. What is the difference between Signal and Telegram? Here the A answer is correct. Signal is a full open source. Then next ICT question, what is the largest TB experiment of India? Out of these four options, D answer is correct. SITE. SITE stand for Satellite Instructions Televisions Experiment. So out of these four, Satellite Instructions Television Experiment is the correct answer. The next ICT question is like that. The National Informatics Center launched an instant messaging platform app on the lines of WhatsApp in Feb 2021. Identify that app name. So out of this four one, that app name is Sandesh. So here answer A is the correct one. Then next question, what is dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but information management tool. So B is the correct answer. So this is all about ICT part. Next I am going to cover data interpretation. So here there are three companies, company A, company B and company C. Total workers are work 1200 workers are here work. Out of these three company and officers and workers proportions are given. Out of these 1200 worker, A company worker is 35%, 40% B company worker, 25% C company workers. So before going to answer, we have to work some. We have to working note some things like here working note we have to do like this. Total workers are 1200. Out of 1200, company A worker are 35%. 35% of 1200 means 420 workers are company A under all work ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Then officers and workers, one ratio 1 raised to 35 means it means out of 36, 35 is a worker and 1 is a officer. So proportionally, 420 the total worker, 420 into 36 divided by 35, 432 is the total employee. Under this total employee, the worker as well as officers both are involved. Out of 432 employees, 420 is a worker and remaining 12 is a officer. So this is a working note all about to the company A. Now the company B. Out of 1200, 40 workers are company B. So 40% of 1200 means 480 is a worker. Proportion of officers and workers 1 raised to 20 means out of 21, 20 is a worker and 1 is a officer. So ಅದನ್ನ proportionally clear ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 504 is the total employees. Out of 504, 480 is a worker, remaining 24 is a officers. Then company C working note. So 1200 workers ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25% is a company C worker. 25% of 1200 worker ಅಂದ್ರೆ 300 worker company C ದಾಯ್ತು. Ratio officers and workers in a ratio 1 raised to 15 ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That means 16 workers. Out of 16 employees, 15 is a worker, 1 is a officer. So out of ಅದನ್ನ 320 ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಾರಿ 300 ವರ್ಕರ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 300 into 16 divided by 15, 320 employees. So out of 320, 300 workers under 20 is a officer. So this is all about working note about the company C. Then question. The first data interpretation question. Find the ratio between total number of workers in company A and company B to total number of officers in company A and company B. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಎ 420, ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಿ 480, ಟೋಟಲ್ 900. In case of officers, total number of officers in company A 12, total number of officers in company B 24, total 36. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ 25:1 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎ is a correct one. Answer A is a correct one. Next question. Total number of employees in company B exceeds the total number of employees in company C by. Here options are available: 200, 180, 184, 172. Here the solution is like that. Employees in company B 504, employees in company C 320. So here answer is 184. Answer is 184. So here the total number of employees in company B exceeds the total number of employees in company C is 184. So here the answer C is a correct one. Answer C is a correct one. Then next question. What is the total number of officers in the 3 companies? 3 ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ like this. Here total number of officers in A 12, total number of officers in company B 24, and C company total officer 20, total 56. So 56 is the correct answer. 56 officers in the 3 companies. Then next question, the difference between the total number of employees in company A and company C is. So total number of employees company A minus total number of employees in company C ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ನೋಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿದೆ. ಕಂಪನಿ ಎದ್ದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಕಂಪನಿ ಸಿ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. 432 minus 320. So here answer is 112. So here answer is 112. That means answer B is a correct one. The next question. The difference in the number of officers in company B and company C is. That means, so ಈ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಿ ಯ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸಿ ಯ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಿ 24, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸಿ 20. So difference is a 4 officer. Difference is a 4 officers. So here answer A is a correct one. So this is all about communication part, ICT part and data interpretation part. ಸೊ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೂ ಇನ್ನೂ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.